we have to keep it hygienic. You got periods in the morning. We are introducing our menstrual.
Mine is Chotu.
Have to push till here only.
Favorite part, guys. This is your vagina. Nothing doing bad to your downside, right?
This is the reason why it is leaking. What if it will go inside and will reach stomach? Just use menstrual cup. It's very healthy for.
Do it. 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to our channel.
So today's vlog is gonna about
Menstrual
menstrual cup. Exactly. So we all know women's life is around menstrual only. Every month we are struggling. We are like, what is this periods?
And when girls think about menstrual cup, there is a lot of curious confusions are there, right? So it's gonna be like a menstrual talk on menstrual cup.
Exactly. We need to do that. So we prepared some questions and we will go according to like that. So it will be easy for us and easy for you also. People.
Actually, we are sharing our experience, like our story.
So what is the first question, Archana?
When we shifted from pad to menstrual cup. I will share it, okay?
Share
I shifted to menstrual cup actually past 1 year, before 1 year.
Before 1 year,
Before 1
actually.
year, yeah. When I was doing masters. So why I am not thinking about menstrual cup before, I have a problem with seeing blood.
But her problem not mainly was like putting an insert. Her main problem was like seeing blood.
Say it took me to 3 months to completely fit into menstrual cup. After that, I could say that completely I am comfort on my periods. I really fit into menstrual cup. This is my story about like I was struggling initially to fit into this, but now I am perfectly fit in that. Now yours, choice.
My story is like I still remember, one day I got periods and Archana is like, no, Archana pushed me.
You got periods in the morning, and I was saying today it's a view of buy because after 6 months actually, after 6 months she bought it.
She just bought me and she pushed me into the washroom and she's like, go and use. And I still remember I'm trying to put it in and I'm screaming. It's half went inside, other part is not going in.
But I was encouraging her from outside the washroom, like push inside the shower. You can, should I take the vaccine?
Like I can't.
And what made you again to change your mind to come back to this menstrual cup?
The thing is, I still remember that day we went to college
and
we walk a lot. And that day I got so pissed off because of pets. I was getting heat, irritation.
And other thing, you didn't change that day. That was the main problem. She couldn't get the chance to change the pad.
It was like so hectic with the pad, and I got so frustrated. So that day she said like, Disha, today you have to do it. And I'm like, okay, today I have to do it. And I did it.
She took only, one attempt only, she was perfectly fine. It was actually according to person to person. Like, I was facing some problem initially, but she was not facing. This is how we shifted from pad to menstrual cup. And how we prepare to have this. Actually, how we prepare ourselves. Yeah, actually, this is really important. You have to prepare yourself first. You want that willpower to do that. Just prepare your mind, relax your mind. Just tell yourself you're gonna do yourself a good job today. Then try this.
It will be fine. Other is you need to stay calm. Contraction problem.
I was also facing that, yeah. Because when we give a pressure to our leg and try to put inside, there is a kind of wall will form, like muscle contraction.
This is your vagina, and like if you got scared, so what will happen? This muscles will be like you tightening your legs, right?
Yeah.
So it will get like
because I was scared to do that.
And if you are trying to put in menstrual cup from there, it was like a wall which is not letting
and
it.
And that is kind of hurting ourselves.
Yeah.
So you have to prepare yourself.
Otherwise, guys, putting menstrual cup is never painful. It was never painful.
It is actually very smooth. Another thing is like there is natural lubricant. There is not use of Vaseline and all. There is natural lubricant. It will go so smoothly. It will come out so smoothly. Yeah. If you learned it, or if you understand how to do that. You have to learn it first.
The main thing is like our overthinking, our anxiety. We need to stay calm.
That both.
And we need to stay calm. If we will stay calm, then everything is very smooth.
Keep in mind that you are doing good to your body.
Is like my problem was like, okay, it will go inside Archana, I will make it inside. How it will come out? I was like, Archana, what if it won't come out? We have to go to Gynec will take it out.
Complicated.
So many questions.
But we have to do it. Then you will understand.
Stop your overthinking and anxiety and stay calm. That is how you can prepare yourself. Mostly I will say this. Third question.
what are the ways to insert it properly? That is the
Oh.
question. So before that, we are introducing our menstrual cup.
Where is mine? Oh yeah. it's
I
right.
have I put it in my home. It's in the box itself. It is actually coming like this.
We have different
Yeah.
brands.
We are
We'll talk
using
about
different
brands.
brands, and so we both ordered different day, and we both ordered medium size. But you can see
Mine is Chotu.
even the material is actually silicone only.
Silicone.
It's silicone
Every
only.
menstrual cup is made up of
medical
silicone,
grade
guys.
silicone it is, and medium size. She is also using medium
Your
size.
brand is?
Serona.
Mine is P-Safe, guys.
P-Safe.
P-Safe it is, and this is the size, medium size
Medium
of
size only,
P-Safe,
yeah.
but this is the medium size of Snap.
It's medium, it's not
Yeah.
large, but comparatively like this is big, and
And-
other feature is like it has stem because we have to take it out.
And you can see her stem is like
gridded.
green,
Yeah,
like it have like
a grip is there. We can take it out like a round.
and it's quite long rather than mine.
Yours is actually my length is more.
Uh,
She have a ball downside.
I have like this thing,
Ball downside.
ball downside,
I
which
have
is
this,
helping me to hold. So this is the other thing. And guys, the other thing about the menstrual cup is like it's not depending on your how much your haul is big, how much your haul is small. No, guys,
Nothing like that.
nothing.
Actually, I will prefer go with medium. It is actually depend on the blood flow, how much it's collecting. the
collecting.
blood.
And some girls have heavy blood flow, some have medium, somebody have low.
I have comparatively from her,
Heavy.
like I have more.
Yeah.
She have less, and she
medium.
will get blood flow stop by
Fourth
4th day.
day.
I have on 6 days, so it's like different
depends.
person to person.
Now we
It's
will talk
how much-
about how we are putting. We'll come to it.
Actually, yeah, there are actually different ways to fold this cup and insert your vagina. What way I am using is punch fold. Nothing, we just have to punch it down like this. So the opening is small, the mouth part is small. So just imagine this is my vagina and it is going. See, I am using this small opening to put inside, and I have to push till here only. So it will open automatically. This is actually what is happening inside our vagina, okay? Same like this. This much only I am using. This is the easy way I am believing, but she is saying her way is easy.
Mine is like this is your
C
menstrual
fold
cup.
it is, right?
Yeah, C fold. This is your mouth. Just make it into a C form. Make.
But I am saying the mouth is big.
But see,
Okay, let her
now
explain,
what
yeah.
will happen? This thing, that corner of this is your vagina. Don't put it like this. Nobody's vagina is that much
When
big
you
which will
explained
go
me
like
this,
that.
I was trying to push it like this. Now
No,
I understand this tip we have to insert. Okay.
Nobody's vagina is that much big. That is very obvious. We have to take a corner. We have to. This is your vagina. This is your C corner. Just
Let
put it
go.
like that.
Our vagina only will open. And you have to push it will open. Yeah.
It will
You have to push actually when if we use this, we have to push it till here, right?
Yes.
Okay. That is the difference. When I have to do this till here only.
So it won't open sometimes.
Yeah,
That
actually.
is.
Oh, that is actually my
Ah.
I'm facing a problem. I will say it later. And there is other kind of fault which is 7. But we
I
won't
do
use that, okay?
C only.
This is actually 7 fault. We won't use that. This is the
This
other
is we
kind
learned.
of. This we learned actually, but we don't use that because if I'm comfort with a sponge down, then why I'm trying the other one?
We
So,
saw one fold that is called diamond.
it's the
fold.
complicated, I guess.
Guys,
because I can't
I'm
even
saying
fold
you,
it.
she crushed her menstrual cup like this, and she, what she did? She make it like a
I also tried to
vagina.
learn that, but I like this.
Like this.
Ah, okay, like this. I got it actually.
Yeah.
See, we have to down it.
And make it in a diamond form, guys, like this.
It's okay.
It's
Find your
completely
way.
depends.
Find your way.
Find your
way, and because I'm comfort with this, that's why I'm sticking to this.
The
You can try
thing
other one
is,
also, yeah.
when we also started using, we saw so many, YouTube videos. So every woman have different type, every video saying different thing. R is also saying different thing. But when a woman will start, then only she will come to know, okay, this is the fold I am comfortable with. This
Yeah.
is the fold she
Really,
is comfortable with.
Actually, how we are
Folds.
how we are
Positions.
putting it in position really matters.
Positions matters.
So how I am doing. I will put my one leg on the closet, other leg on the floor itself. So it is like a wide. I want it like wide. Then I will put inside. That is how I am putting it inside. How I'm taking it inside, like I will sit down on the floor, like I will support my hand on the pipe, and I will sit like a completely squat position, like W. Then I will take it out. This is how I am putting it, how I am taking it out.
Me?
You.
Me?
It's different.
Me? Like
Yeah.
closet. I am doing everything. Like, okay, when I started, that time mostly I heard is like, squatting position
Actually,
is
yeah,
easy,
it's easy.
easy. So, I started with that, sitting on the floor, okay, putting and inserting, both like inserting and taking out in the
Hmm.
squat position.
Okay.
But then I found, my own way, a comfort way.
Our own
So that
positions.
was like, closet. Just sit on closet,
Hmm.
wide your legs, stay calm, put it inside and take it out.
Both you are doing while sitting on the closet. only.
Closet. And I feel it blessed because like when you are taking it
Yeah.
out, spilling of blood
Ah, yeah, I have
is
that
just
problem.
inside going and just flush it and you don't have to see what happened
It's
there.
very smooth actually,
Smooth,
right? Like
yeah.
I try to do that, like while taking it, and now I'm following that.
Uh-huh.
It's easy to do because when I was doing on the floor, it will spill out on the floor, and I can see that as soon as possible I will take the mug and throw it out. But I think I'm using the punch down, so sitting in the closet and doing is little hard for me because maybe depend on my body also.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is the thing actually. We are learning in this phase how to do this.
Like
how
I can't
to-
do that, which she is saying like putting one leg on closet. I never did that. I can't think of that.
It's
like I
very
am doing that.
different. to
It's
both
completely
perspective, yeah.
different. Other thing we faced is like when we were traveling, so we went for Indian washrooms.
Yes, that is really hard
So,
actually.
I was on periods.
I
and
can't
I'm
even
like,
put my leg on
you know,
upside, so I will put on the tab. And yeah, that
But
is
on
little hard.
if you guys are using Indian washrooms, I will say squat
But
position.
we used to do the squat, so it is okay. Actually, one
just
time only I did.
do on
Yeah.
in squat position,
That
putting
is also
also
fine,
and taking it
actually.
out also, inserting and
There is no
both
problem with
things.
Indian closet and
Ah.
like Western closet.
Just
we
sit
can
in
do in
squat
any-
position
anywhere,
and
actually.
do it.
Other thing is, while we are on like trip or something, we won't feel that we are on periods. If you guys are on periods trip, we won't feel that.
Until and unless
Yeah.
it's like a very high cramps and you are dying.
No,
Till that
we won't feel because we can run, we can walk,
run.
we can
No
jump,
itchiness.
we can do
No heat.
trekking also. Nothing we will feel while using menstrual cup on your periods if you are on a trip.
Next question,
And
Archana.
it's very interesting. Why it is leaking sometime. That is
This
the next
problem
question.
is for some people is not there, and some people is not there.
She
Who's
don't have
me?
the problem. I have the problem, but I realized it. Why I have that leaking problem? As I mentioned, like I am inserting till here. Sometimes it will open here, but it will be folded like this. Okay, so we can check it. Actually, initially only I was not understanding, recognizing that this was my problem while leaking,
Yeah.
because I have that problem, or I was scared to put my finger inside and check it is properly.
Yeah.
Nowadays I could do that. I will like check it. If it is, we can just when we touch also we can feel the depression. If it is not opened properly, we can push a little more. Then it will open, of course. And
yeah,
just
let's do that.
yeah, you
Ah.
always do, because I was not doing that. Nowadays I'm used to do that, and just make it like a round. So it will
You
be,
can feel that, like when it's there, so you will feel. When you will touch your
Oh,
fingers
yeah.
there, when you will do this, you will feel like, oh, it's not like that. So
and sometimes I was not feeling also that. But then I will sit in squat and make it okay. And sometimes like there is a tip I can say, if it is not properly open, we will start feeling pain on leg
Like,
and discomfort.
Discomfort will be
Maybe
so
it is
much.
depend on body also, I don't know. But I felt like that, like pain.
I feel abdominal like in both.
Oh, if it is not properly open,
Yeah.
yeah. For mine, it is like. Then nowadays, like I check it properly. I will make sure it is open completely inside. Yeah. Then
This
you can
is
come
the
out of
first
washroom.
reason. Second is overflow, guys.
Overflow for like her, there is no overflow now. But for me, on the second day especially, I am facing this leaking problem on second day of my periods because I have overflow. That is
The
reason,
thing is,
other thing.
girls, the main thing is like we all know when we are having a heavy blood flow.
We know
So
about our flow. and-
they say on that all the instructions like we can put this on 12 hours.
Yeah.
But guys, it's not compulsory like in 12 hours you will bleed this much only. Might it's a overflow day, it's your second day of periods, you are overflowing. Just go in the washroom in 5 and 6 hours and just take it out and spill the blood and put it
I used to do
again.
actually when I was like, we used to go in office, like I do that.
Because if you are not doing this, see this cup is inside your vagina, it will fill it up with the blood and obviously it will leak and it will obviously spotting
Leak
will
in
come.
the sense not like that. That's I want to call it.
Yeah.
It won't be leaked like fully. Like
Drops
one
will
drop
come.
or two drops you can see in the panties, then I can understand. Oh, it's
Oh,
maybe overflow, or maybe
Just
it's like not like
take care of
completely
these
open
things.
inside. So this is the reason why it is leaked.
Arjuna, so what is the next question?
like how to maintain the menstrual, how we are maintaining,
Most important thing, guys,
because it is, we have to keep it hygiene, because we
hygiene is the main
are
point.
putting inside in our body. So we have to make
Hygiene
it like
matters.
hygiene. Yeah. So how we are doing is
This
yeah,
is our
this is our
product.
total menstrual cup wash.
You got periods, okay? Just wash your menstrual cup with
Daily
this
with
help.
this.
Put it inside. When you are taking it out after 5
Wash
hours,
it.
6 hours, take it out, wash it. Continuously, you have to do it on the 4th day, 5th day, 6th day. Whenever your bleeding is stopping, just take out your menstrual cup, wash it with this. After that, take a pan, put it on like boiling water, put it inside for 5 minutes,
5 minutes.
let it get
Take it out.
sterilized, take it out, and
Put it back in our bag. Safe.
Safe.
That.
That's
This is
it.
easy. Still ricer. Still ricer. What
Uh-huh.
is that?
sterilization.
That also you can buy.
Yeah.
But we are using this method.
But this
It's not
machine,
sterilized.
we didn't try it because it now only it came.
That is like a kind of cup only. We don't have
it's
that
like
to
you
show,
know
but
to
yeah.
put cup inside that.
Yeah, they will only
Yeah.
make it, sterilized.
Sterilization.
That is
So
that.
you can try that also. We didn't try it, but I will say like give it a chance.
Next is the interesting part: myths about menstrual cup or fun facts about menstrual cup.
Favorite part, guys, because I heard a lot. She heard a
A
lot.
lot, actually.
We faced a lot.
You share about your story first.
You know what happened? I started putting like this menstrual cup, using menstrual cup here. Then I went home for a vacation, and then in the sudden conversation, I just said my mom like I started using menstrual cup. So she didn't say me anything. Then after her overthink, and she came back to me and she's saying like, "It's nothing doing bad to your downside, right?" I'm like, "No, my hymen is completely safe there. Don't worry."
Yeah, this is the myth actually, because I used to put menstrual health or menstrual cup story in Instagram. So one of my follower, she asked me, okay, so if we are putting the menstrual cup, it is reaching our hymen, it is breaking our hymen, so we are not virgin, right? So she's like, oh, we are losing our virginity ourselves. And I was saying, like, I tell her, and I was saying you also, it won't reach till hymen. It's
How
not
it will
like
be?
that.
See how true too.
And one other girl, she said me, what if it will go inside and will reach stomach?
Oh guys, no legs.
It's like, but it's okay to have such kind of confusion and questions, because we were also in that stage having
Yeah.
stupid questions and confusions. It's very normal, because we have to think, we have to
then only we will
yeah,
find
ask questions,
answers.
then only you can find. So nothing gonna happen like that.
It won't
It will
reach
put-
hymen. It won't reach to your stomach. It
It
will
will
be
be
there
there
only.
only.
Come on,
Nothing
guys,
like that.
cutting hymen. How
Not
this
a
can
big
happen?
deal, and already our hymen is cut. I think so, because we are a Gen Z girls and our lifestyle, everything has changed nowadays.
Changing.
So it's not
Don't think like that.
yeah, we don't
Your
have to
hymen
say
is
about it.
safe. Safe it is.
If you have, otherwise it's okay.
Next myth, I have read or I have listened somewhere like people are saying like it's easy for the people who are married and who had kids.
Yes.
Oh my god, that time I'm like, oh my god, I'm not married. I
But
don't
I
have
had the
kids.
same question also, because baby came out from that, so it is very easy. It is a big hall, so it's very easy to go inside. Nothing like that, because we went in college. We went for IVF, so there is a 16-year-old girl.
Yeah.
She's using this, and I felt so proud for her
Proud.
and brave for her. Actually, she tried in that age, so it is according to our braveness to do this. Nothing depend on, okay, I'm married, I have a kid, so I can use it.
No,
nothing like
is
that.
Guys, nothing is like
It's
that.
not depending on
Lubricant
the
is
age.
where your vagina will be same only. There are myths like it will lose your vagina or something like that. No,
Nothing.
guys, nothing. It's a contraction. It's going inside. It's coming again into the same form. It's not like it will be open only forever. No.
So the other thing is, people used to say, if you are using menstrual cup, there is no cramps at all. That is a lie. There will be cramps, but comparatively the intensity will be less. So that is about menstrual cup
Menstrual cup
and how to put, like
and
how to maintain. all
guys,
this about
how
menstrual.
women are reaching is pushing each other.
Yeah.
She pushed
Actually,
me.
one of our common friend, like, she said me to use this, and I did. And I said her to do that. She did. And
I am
then you are
pushing a
saying-
lot of people.
I'm also pushing a lot of. We have to push them. We
Push.
have to make them, prepare for that.
I hope you guys are enjoying our vlog. I hope your periods will be healthy and happy. And
Happy
you will
periods.
order this right now itself.
We talked a lot at last, actually.
Okay.
It's okay.
So bye bye guys. Done for this vlog.
Actually, we talked a lot.
Guys, say bye bye to pads. No more pads. No more itching. No more rashes. Happy.